Good morning. Welcome to my life. As you all know, I'm Mamadi Charles, Apostle Charles. So, uh, I'm a scientific laboratory technician, also a quality control manager. I work with different factories and industries. Okay. This morning, I will be teaching us some of the works that are being done in some industries or factories while choosing a particular factory. Okay. The factory produces water. Okay, so I will show some machines that are being used for water production and other machines that are being used for purification processing. So come along. Welcome back. This machine you are looking at now is called the monoblock. The monoblock. Okay, the monoblock is a machine that is used in water production. Okay, it is the machine that we pass bottles into, okay, that does the work of the filling, that is starting from the for the first one, the rinsing, like washing, and the filling of water inside the bottle, and the capping. Are you getting it? And the capping. You can see the keys here. That's the work of the monoblock. You can see the speed control. You can see the power. You can see the renacing. That's the renacing. You can see the possible loading. You can see run. You can see filling. You can see conveyor, stop, cap loading, and auto manual. Like if you want to put it on auto, or you want to be using it by yourself, controlling it by yourself, manual. So this is just it. This is the feeding area. This is the feeding area. Like this, you can see. You can see. Let me just show you an example of how it's being fed. Okay, let me just show you an example. And this is how it's being fed. You put the bottle like this. Let me get a better bottle for demonstration. So look at the bottles here. These are all the bottles. You can see that. So let's quickly demonstrate that. See how they are being fed. You can see how I fed it. Look at this point. This is the feeding point. Are you getting? You feed like this, you go, and it goes. Okay, there's an air conveyor here. Okay, which automatically pushes the bottles. It drives them in. You see, they will just move like this. They move. So free and free like this. So that is exactly what's that. And they move here, then they pass through this area. This area. Then they get to this where we have the rinsing, okay? The washing and the rinsing. They get washed. If there are new plastics, we produce them, but we have to wash them, okay? Then from there, they pass through this channel again, this one, okay? They get to filling part. These are all used for filling. You can see them, all these ones, they are for filling. Use them for filling. Inside of here, we have the water directly from the source. Are you getting it? Treated water, treated ones. You get filled, then they come to this channel again, this one. That's where the capping is done. They automatically get capped, okay? And they pass through this channel, coming like this, coming and come out from here and dropped here, and move and go straight to the side. And it's gonna pass through this side. You can see this, you can see it here. See the pathway, pass through here and here and here. You can see the pathway like that. You get to this pathway, then they enter here. This is the steamer where they get steamed, okay? And the labels here, people putting labels should be in this line, okay? Putting label, be in this line, they put label, you get in, then you get steamed here, okay? And this one, this is the packaging machine, okay? This is the packaging machine. This is the one that does the packaging, okay? Using this nylon. This is the shrink wrap. This is called shrink wrap. We use it for packaging water. So that's it. Get packaged here. Okay. When we set them here, we have to push the cream bottle here. As the cream bottle they get loaded, and they pushes it to the other side here. Okay. And they pass through this heater. It's a heater. Okay. When it hits it, okay, passing through this heater, it hits it, then it comes out. It comes out from here. Okay. When it comes out from here, you can see it. This is also the air conveyor for cooling it. Okay. But by the time it comes out from here, you can see from here now. Coming out from here, you can see the inside it get heated. Okay, it packaged it here. Getting here, it has to stay here to be cooled. And getting it there, you can bring it out and we stop. Okay, that is the packaging machine. That's just the work of the packaging machine. Then we have this one as well. This is the one we use to do all this job you are seeing here. You can see jobs. Then it has already been done. These are dispenser jars. They have been filled up. We have purified water inside of them. Okay, this is the one that does the work. Okay, this is where we put the bottles. We put the bottle here. It goes here, upside down. The mouth into here. Then it does the washing. Okay, the washing, and we have a lot. We have tank inside of here. Okay. Then this is where it is done. Then it goes directly into here. Get filled up. And this is just everything about water production. It comes out from here. Coming out from here. This is it. Then we get them. That's where we have something like this. You can see them. They have been stored, well stored in a cool and dry place. That is how we do water. Okay, now I'm taking you to the store right now. To the store. There you are. Look at the store. This one are the water that are being produced. You can see water. We produced a lot of water here. You can see this is the store. This is store, and these are our products. These are our products. You can see so many. And let's go. We want to see the sachet water produced. That's a machine that produces sachet water. This is it. See it, Dingley packaging machine. Produces it and it packages it by itself. Are you getting? It's the one that is used to produce sachet water. This is the machine. It's Dingley machine. Now you have seen the machines. I will take you out. Now I want to go and show you the RO. The RO. Then see all this. These are what we call carbon filters. I want you to see very well. See carbon filters. The water coming in directly, okay, should pass through carbon filters. These are filters, okay, and is used for removing whatever the dirt that might have passed through the other protective layers. Then this one separates them before it gets into the machine and it is packaged. That is the work thing. Okay, I'll be taking you out now. We see how we make use of the tanks, the reverse osmosis RO machine, and other water purification techniques. So join me. Now, this is the raw water tank. This is where we store water directly from the pump. While we pour from the ground, we store it. Comes here, okay. And for this tank, we are making use of two surface pumps. Okay. One is located over here. One, while the other is located beside this tank. That's over there. Okay. So both pumps water. Both of them pump water into this tank. Okay. So it will be faster. And this is another surface pump, another one. Okay, I think this one is around the. This is 2.5 horsepower. Yes, 2.5 horsepower. Okay, this one pumps water to the overhead tanks. Okay, we have 3 overhead tanks up there. So these pumps, we have to use a very bigger, a bigger pump, so that the pressure will be so much. Okay, you can pump water at a very faster rate. So now the water goes into the domestic tank. Okay, we have 3 tanks already up there. Okay, if you can see up there, we see 3 tanks. We have 3 tanks. We have the first one, which is a semi-treated water tank. Okay, those numbers, the numbers there should be 5,000 liters, not 500. So it's just a mistake. Then the domestic tank and the treated water tank. That's the final one. Okay, the water gets into the domestic tank first. Okay, then from there it goes to the semi, the pass through. Okay, pass through the semi before. This one is the one that is doing the first job. The activated carbon bed. On this very first, okay, we have the sand bed filter. This contains resins, okay, resins for treatment of water. The water with so much ions and all that things. Okay, we'll treat it. Okay, and the resins are changed periodically. Okay, when we notice some bad water, like odor or whatever, we change the resins. I will make sure that the resin we change before we get washed. We change it. Okay, so the first it passes through here first. Okay, you can see the valves, how they are being connected. Okay, you can see this valve now. This is what, see the valve, the flow of water. The water flows. Okay, this is what we call the valves. You can see this one. Then this one is the one that the water enters first. From there it goes into this activated carbon filter. This one also has some resins inside of it. Okay, it has some resins, so we change them periodically. Okay, so to make sure that we produce water of high quality. Okay, that is why we use all these ones. So now let's talk about the flow. Okay, I've already told you now. When this water passes through, okay, it goes up. You can see the pathway. Now it gets into the semi-treated. Okay, the semi-treated tank. Then come down through the flow again. When it comes down again, it comes to this. This is what we call the reverse osmosis machine, RO, reverse osmosis machine. It makes use of membranes. These are the membranes. This is what we call membranes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 membranes. Okay, so these membranes are used for water filtration and water treatment. Okay, water has to pass through all these membranes. Okay, and this is the one that is doing the like final, though not really final, because we still have the VU there. Okay, VU there inside. We also have the filter method of filtration or water treatment. So for this, it passed through here. Okay, this one does the work. You can see the buttons now. Okay, the buttons and the readings from the gauge. These are called gauge. This one is for this gauge is for the semi-treated water. We use it to know the level or the volume of water in the semi-treated tank. And this one we use it to know the level or the volume of water inside the final treated tank. These are, and we can also follow this. You can see the when this goes up, this is the like the bulb. For those of us that are acquainted with bulb, the scientists, okay, when there is pressure, it pushes the bulb upward. Why this one rises? Why the bulb rises here? This one also increases the speed here. It increases. Likewise, this one. So this is the reverse osmosis. Okay, And these are the tap. This here, okay, the valves. I mean the valves. We can open it to allow water to flow, and we can close it not to allow water to escape. Okay, this is the pump. This follows, or it comes with this reverse osmosis, and this osmosis is 2 ton. It's 2 ton reverse osmosis. 2 ton. We have 3 tons as well. We have 1 ton. We have 2 ton. We have 3 ton. This is 2 tons, and it's very efficient. The work is superb. Okay, this is how the work is being done. So when you hear about water treatment, I know you wonder that how do we treat water? How is this work done? Okay, the work is done by the laboratory, that's water doctors. Okay, because I also work as a water doctor and also as a quality control manager. So that is how the water is being done. Okay, I know I've showed you this. If you see the piping, all the piping, that's the pathway through which the water flows. The water flows from the final treated, that's the treated water tank, the final water. It goes in through all these pipes. These are the pipes. Okay? From there we can start our production. I know you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things. Okay, I am happy that you will join me in my next section of this work and teachings. Don't forget, I told you I am Apostle Charles, your friend, your brother, your son, and your lovely one. Goodbye. Thank you.